In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit invoice template in Xero. We'll walk through how to open an existing invoice in Xero, make clear, professional updates to the information your customer sees, and then finalize those changes so they're reflected in the invoice you send. This approach keeps everything consistent with your organization's active invoice layout, while letting you control the details that appear on each invoice. Start by signing into Xero and landing on your organization's homepage. Make sure you're in the correct company file and that you have permission to edit sales documents. From the main navigation, open the sales area. This is where Xero groups all your sales activity, including quotes, invoices, and credit notes. Next, go to Invoices. Here you'll see your invoice list, typically organized into statuses like draft, awaiting approval, and awaiting payment. Use the search box or filters to quickly find the invoice you want to refine. Accurate selection matters because the edits you're about to make will be visible to your customer and used for reporting. Open the invoice you want to update. Inside the invoice, choose Edit. This switches the document into an editable view so you can fine-tune the information that makes up your invoice template experience for that specific customer. Review header fields such as the customer name, invoice date, due date, and any reference or purchase order numbers. Then check the line items. Update descriptions to be clear and customer-friendly, adjust quantities and unit prices, and verify that the correct account codes and tax rates are applied. If you need to reorder lines for clarity, you can do that too. Take a moment to confirm that the subtotal, tax, and total look right. Xero will recalculate these automatically as you edit. If you include notes or payment instructions, make sure they're concise and helpful, since they appear on the customer-facing document. Remember, the invoice your customer sees uses your organization's active branding and layout, so accurate content here ensures a professional result. When everything looks good, set the status to Sent to indicate the invoice is ready for your customer. This flags it as issued and prepares it for emailing or downloading as a PDF with your current layout. Finally, click Update to apply and save your changes. That's the full flow. Open Xero, go to Sales, choose Invoices.